When packing your child's lunch, consider these food safety tips. Use an insulated lunch bag and a thermos to help keep cold food cold and hot food hot. When using a thermos, warm it up with hot water before filling it with hot food. Hot foods packed in a thermos are best eaten at the first break. Use a water bottle with frozen water, a freezer pack, or sandwiches made with frozen bread to help keep lunch foods cold. Foods that can be frozen, such as yogurt or homemade muffins, will be ready to eat by the second break. Wash all vegetables and fruit before packing. Do not resend leftover sandwiches or hot foods if they've come home uneaten. Fruits and other snacks can be safely repacked. Do not reuse wrappings. Wash reusable lunch bags and containers, including beverage containers, at the end of the day with soap and hot water. Educate yourself about plastics. Plastics 2, 4, and 5 are safest for use. Use glass and stainless steel containers whenever possible.